What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on YouTube. We got an unboxing video for you because ARKON came out with a new wheel, and I think it's probably going to be my new favorite one. Before I open it, which I don't know why everybody loves when I open boxes, but that's what we're going to do. My favorite feature of the box itself is actually on the back side. Don't do it. This is the bottom. In case you ever try to open this wheel upside down, ARKON's got you. They're not going to let you do that. So, without further ado, which I feel like is the typical YouTube saying, we're going to open this box up. All right, so opening it up, we can get rid of all this cardboard that we don't need. Styrofoam plastic rim protector, what I like to call the hairnet. And then lastly, the styrofoam. Oh my gosh, this wheel's sick. It's heavy too, in case you were wondering. This is a 24 by 14. Like stuck inside the box. Can I get some help? So like I said, this is the ARKON Caesar. To kick things off, as far as sizes go, going to be offered in a 20 by 10, 20 by 12, 22 by 12, and 2014, which is this one here. ARKON goes a little bit more aggressive with their offsets. So like typically in a 14 wide, you'd see a -76, but in this case with ARKON, it's a -81. They're all about more stance and more lip. So as you can see, this wheel does have a fairly large lip. Unlike some of their other ones where they have the endless barrel, this actually does end right here. It does have a ridge to it, but they did that so that when they add these twisted spokes and the milling, you kind of have that directional pattern with the milling. For applications, they're going to be offered in 5, 6, and 8 lug. And then as far as price point goes, like in the 24-14s and the big boy sizes, your black and milled is going to be at around $1,700, and then the chrome are a little bit more expensive at around $1,900. So as far as the design goes on here, it is a very simple design. I do like it just because it has such a flat face and it is very simple and clean. Definitely a show type wheel. That reminds me a lot of some of the Ford's wheels out there. Now, ARKON is a cast wheel company, and I guess I don't need to really keep talking about them like third person. Many of you guys already know that Custom Offsets actually developed ARKON wheels. So this is like our in-house kind of line. But they've been releasing a couple new styles. I think they have maybe one more to go, and they're hammering out in the shop right now because they're gonna put a set of these on Bailey's 2010 Chevy Silverado, so we're just gonna keep pounding that hammer, hopefully for the next 30 minutes here while I continue to try to explain to you what this wheel looks like.
1 hour later.
Like all other ARKON wheels too, you notice that this does have exposed lug holes, so if you want to run spike lug nuts, you can do so on these wheels. They also do a really good job at keeping the cap as minimalistic as possible. This obviously is a 6 lug version. The 8 lug does have a little bit bigger cap, but it's not too bad. Very simple, very clean, kind of follows the whole style. Ideally, when Bailey put these together, he should take the center cap out and face it so that the K and the ARKON on the rim of the wheel line up too, but we won't give him too much of a hard time for that. For old time's sake, we'll do a bill test on here as well. This is a $10 bill that's actually been ripped and taped. We use the bill because it's about 6 inches. So you can see on this 14 wide, you get all of 6 plus another 1.5 inch, almost 2 there. So you're at like a 7.5 inch lip on a 14 wide, which is pretty decent. Like I said, ARKON's all about big lips, very show-inspired wheel, very simple, very clean styles. And obviously being directional is like the big thing. So most cast wheel companies don't offer directional wheels. What that means is you actually get a left and a right so that you will have the directional pattern going the same way on both sides of your truck rather than one going forwards and one going backwards. So that's some of the benefits of the new ARKON Caesar. If you guys want to check these things out, we'll get them loaded up on the website. By the time this video comes up, they will be out there. So if you want a set, you want to be one of the first people to run them, grab them, they're on the site, and then put your vehicle in the gallery so we can show it off to the world. Peace.